Viewers, Namaste. Just 5 minutes before, Pune has witnessed inauguration of the biggest AI learning center of Pune, and the name is MindLift AI. I have with me Achal Agavne, who is director of this company. So nowadays, Achal, people apart from engineering, software, medical, people have focus on AI too.
Absolutely. We feel that AI is new, but it's not. It's happening in our country since 1950. And
1950.
yes.
How's that?
Absolutely. As Chandrakant Dada Patil said, right, that we are the ones who have discovered this. It's just that we've forgotten our own history.
True.
So if we look back, it goes back to 1950s that it has been existing in our country. It's just that we have discovered this as a new buzzword. So what we are doing at MindLift is we are empowering students who are fearful that they might lose jobs because of AI, but that's not true. AI is here to empower you to get tasks done faster, to improve your workflows, and we are here to bridge that gap. So don't worry.
And actually, how do you do that? Because every other day there's a news in media that XYZ company has let off XYZ number of people, and the reason is AI.
Right, absolutely. The idea and the fear is that AI is going to kill jobs, and it is happening. That is what we are seeing. But the reality is AI is not killing jobs. We are already creating more jobs because of AI. So many people are being hired by OpenAI, Claude, and those other companies who are actually creating those tools related to AI. So you are not going to be replaced by AI. You're going to be replaced by somebody who uses AI.
So, Achal, are you saying people would need to upgrade themselves with this technology or with AI in specific?
If they're not already doing it, they're late. The best day to start learning AI was yesterday. So the next best day is today.
So immediately it needs to be done.
Immediately, yes.
And how do you see the future of MindLift AI? It's first and in Pune, right?
Right.
And biggest too.
Yes, absolutely.
So how do you see the future?
I see that AI is bridging, and MindLift AI is partnering with all academic institutions. We're going grassroots level in different states in the country.
Different states?
Yes, different states. We're already doing projects across the country. We're doing it in UP, we're doing it in Delhi, we're doing it in Orissa, we're doing it in Sikkim, we're doing it in Maharashtra. So we're already in different states where we are actually bridging gaps in education and going to the grassroots level and empowering people. So I'll give you an example. We are empowering people who are handling disasters on ground. Right, so they are the ones who will actually be the first responders.
So what exactly do you do in this case?
We teach them tools that will allow them to predict disasters, which will allow them to generate reports related to disasters. We teach them tools that will allow them to fast create awareness that a disaster has happened and create flowcharts for their immediate next steps.
So it's a proactive approach
Absolutely.
to handle each and everything, I would say.
Yes.
Disaster can be one particular thing in that
Yes.
list.
Yeah.
Great. You're also working closely with government?
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay. So people who are watching this video, people who are watching your interview here, especially kids, especially students, what is your message to them? And to the people who are professionals also working
Right.
and have some kind of fear about AI?
No, I think it's about embracing AI because
There's no choice.
There's no escape. It's already here. AI is not the future. AI is the present. So how are you going to run away from your present? You can't.
You can't.
So you have to embrace it, right? We had
Happily.
all of this. Yeah, we had this fear during Industrial Revolution. Same fear that assembly lines will come, technology will come, people will lose their jobs. But what happened? Assembly line workers came in, those blue collar jobs came in with Industrial Revolution. So the same thing is going to happen with AI.
So Achal has given a reference of Renaissance, which is Industrial Revolution. Similarly, AI is doing a lot of positive things with us and would be doing it. But in case if you wish to know details, you need to connect to Achal at MindLift.
Absolutely.
Thank you for speaking to News Dots.
Thank you so much. Thank you.